In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Instagram threads on your PC or desktop. Hi and welcome to this channel. To begin, you need to download and install Blogsdom. I'll drop the link in the description box, or you can go to blogsdom.com and just download and install this app. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes to finish everything. It's not really a big deal. The most important thing is gonna ask you to give this app access. I'll click on it to launch it. Yeah, it takes some few seconds whenever you need to launch it. Yep, click on Google Play, come here, type threads, double click. It has opened. I'll close this one. It's installing. You want me to connect my charger? That means you're gonna use a lot of power. I'll click got it, then install from Google Play. Now I'm gonna sign in. Avoid this trouble signing in, don't pay attention to it. You know, before you sign into your Google Play Store, you need to use a Google Gmail account. Sign in. I'll use my Google Gmail account, then enter your Gmail address, enter the password of it. This is not your Instagram/threads password. This is just my Gmail password. Next, and agree. I should be able to scroll down, but it's not allowing me. I don't know why. Just click more and click accept. This is the Instagram threads and Instagram app. Click install. It's gonna take a little while, so it's just installing. Open. Bam, this is it. Enter full screen. Click here. So I'm gonna right now, as you can tell, I have it here. Whenever I want to launch it, I can click from here. Also, let me see, click here to press whatever. Let's see, click Instagram, because you know what, I'll just back. I'll close it. Yeah, I want to close and launch it from here. Double click. It takes 5 to 7 seconds to launch it properly. They try to do a quick ad down there. I like to sign in. To access threads, you need to sign in through your Instagram account. That's why you need to have Instagram before you can access threads. Let me click on it. Username, then password. Save your login info. Yeah, I'll save it because I don't want to be entering all the time. We are in, and I'm gonna, what the heck, I don't like this image. Let me just maximize it. The only downside to using Blogsdom app, you're gonna have ads here, which is a distraction, but please don't pay attention to this. It's give and take. You use their software for free, and this is what they get in return by advertising, but please don't pay attention. I wish I can close this thing. Click now. Anyhow, what is the benefit comparing to the mobile app? On the desktop, if you don't go through the process I showed, you will not have this, which is what you have to use to thread. I'll click on it. This has opened a new thread for me to create a thread. I'm gonna minimize this and I'll go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. I would like to promote this video. I'll copy, click these 3 buttons, go to share and copy this. Then I'll close it. Then I'll come here and I'll say best Systeme IO pop-up tutorial for beginners. Right here, I'll try to add hashtags. I'll say Systeme IO hashtag Systeme IO pop-up, then hashtag pop up. These 3 hashtags. Then right here, I'll click here, space, then I'll push this back, right click, Control V. It's not working. Let me zoom it. That is the only downside to posting on PC. I'll close it. All these postings, like this one that you see right here, through my mobile phone, which means you cannot add links to this message, which is done. This bug has to be fixed before it's launched. It's July 18th, 2023. If you want to just thread without adding a link, that's fine. But if you want to add a link anytime you thread, you have to do it on your mobile phone. This is the biggest downside right now. I'll delete it. I want to thread with link. Delete it, delete. I'll show you how to use it on the mobile in my next tutorial, and you'll see that works really well. But for now, if you want to just thread on your desktop without a link, that's fine. This is how you have to do it. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.